Hi everyone, I wanted to show a demo because I did a AI value driver insight on a business command center for having everything in one spot, your tools, your processes, the things you use daily for your business. So this is a done for you service where you can go in and customize a page for you where you have all the links in one spot so you can easily access it from one location. And this is a huge time saver for looking for different tools and links and processes that you need daily in your business. So I wanted to just show you what I set up, but this definitely could be customized to the way you work and the way your business runs. So the first is I have admin and scheduling. So this takes me to just my draft emails that my AI assisted agent is creating for me, and I of course want to go in, check the drafts, make sure I agree with them, personalize it, make any edits or tweaks I need. And then there's schedule and calendar, which takes me to my calendar, my Google Calendar, so I can see when a lead comes in, that check my schedule calendar on that as well. It's just a convenient link. Then my AI assistants that I love is ChatGPT and Claude, so I can just link to them directly. And then my website that I'm doing for my business is my live website to check the production, but then also go in and edit and go into the site editor as well when I'm adding information and updating on my website. Then the tools that I've built, I have the lead generation system and I have my opportunity session form. So this is basically on my website. So you can go in and book a session with me for a discovery call, and you filling out your name and the details. And then once you click requestance, then it will go to a tracker, a Google Sheet to track the lead information. So to the Google Sheet, as well as my Slack. And this can be set up on your phone as an app, so you'll get the notification. I'm going to open my browser. So this is just the channel that I set up for my company, and it goes in and will let me know I got a new lead submittal, and it will pop up as a notification. So that I wanted everything in one spot for my lead generation. Then I have my marketing AI assisted tool, and I have my marketing content form. This is basically if I have content that I want to create that's very structured. I know if I'm doing a blog, a newsletter, I know who the audience is, the pain point, the goal of the content. I'm very, I know the main message I want to make. So I would fill that information out, and it would be very personalized to the goal. And I could also upload files as a reference for more context or a company's website or any kind of additional notes. And then my content will get generated and AI assisted. So that's helpful to have that. Then I have marketing on the go, which is basically a telegram. So this can be on your phone. So I can just say something like, if I just have an idea and I just want to create content that's AI assisted, could I have content that is for the audience of AI beginners that don't know where to begin, they're overwhelmed, they don't know where to start, maybe just one starting point that you'd suggest for them, not to overwhelm them, but keep it simple and create excitement for them and something they can use that they'll really see results in their personal life, like a real example of what to do so that they can get an excitement from. That's the goal of this content. So here's my content that got generated. So of course I'm going to check it and everything, get a jump head start with content creation. And what's great about this is it's going to go to Airtable database to track my content, so I can go in and edit it or tweak it. So this is something that would pop up on my phone, and I can ask to edit it if I want to, but we'll just keep it as this. And then we can go back to my thing, and I can go to my marketing tracker and calendar. Open that up. And this is the content that we had created with the Telegram. So I can go in here, add some comments, tweak it. But again, this could be something that you could use Evergreen to, or also even to train the AI on content that you do for your audience to help it understand the goal of your business and the content that you put out for your audience. So this is something that's great. So again, everything's tracked here. Then I have my AI bots. So I have my chatbot, so I could just talk with my chatbot just as a test. And Sam is my scheduling assistant that will reschedule or cancel AI discovery calls. So this is something, if you're not available to answer calls, you could have a chatbot. So I'm just showing you how everything's in one spot. Then I have my chatbot tracker. So this is just a Google sheet right now, but it could be connected to a CRM. Based on when the chatbot gets information, will take you to there. And that can be formatted. And then I actually have a voice bot, but this is just my number. So you could call my voice bot, but we're not going to call. And then I have my social, then all my workflows that are my automations that I got to go in and edit and test. I want to have those there in development for me to get access to. I also have education tools, the things that I go to just educate myself further. It's nice to have there. So this is the Business Command Center. It's a little long demo, but it's definitely awesome because now I have a place where everything I need is in one location. It's in a nice branded landing page that I can go to and not searching through my favorites and different versions that I'm looking for. So this is something that can help your business. Definitely reach out if you're tired of finding tools and looking for tools and you don't know where they are or different versions. This is something that I could build for you, and it's really been helpful in my business. So I just wanted to take the time to demo that and talk a little bit about that.